Hello guys, we're here in the craft room today at lunch and I'm gonna make the cutest thing I think I've ever made for Christmas. It's a little gift card holder that has a rocking horse on it. So I feel like everyone's gonna love this and you're gonna need this stamp set too. Alright, so let's pop down here. My name is Kay Cogbill. My business is Paper Made Prettier. My website is papermadeprettier.com, so I'd love to see you there. If you are not already following me on YouTube, then subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss another video. And if you are on my Facebook page today, then follow me so you'll see my videos every week on Wednesdays at 1 Central. Today we're using this adorable stamp set called Rocking Horse, and I'm just being honest. I bought it first thing because it was so cute, but I hadn't really used it yet. And then at my retreat this weekend, my friend Carol Bailey showed me a card that just killed me, absolutely killed me. It's a little rocking horse card, and it rocks. All right, so that's not what we're making today. We're making that at my Stamp Technique Club this weekend. But, anywho, and we're making these other two cards at Stamp Technique Club using the 4-square decorative mask and then also just our cute little rocking horse. So this was on my table today when I was trying to decide what to show you guys. And I just thought, what a cute idea to make a gift card holder for Christmas. So the rocking horse stamp set, you want to get it with the bundle, which includes all of these cute dies. So they cut out the rocking horse, this teddy bear, these blocks, all the images, and even this little like detail on the rocking horse. There's a little thing to cut out the saddle. I haven't even gotten into the holly yet, and there's a little bow die. There's just so much here. But I really just wanted to make something that I could put all these cute little toys on. And that's honestly why we're making this gift card holder today. All right, so let's start actually with what's inside because you're going to need to go ahead and do this part first. So start by putting like just some candy in here. I am so excited because Costco already has Christmas candy. They're an early adopter. I was a huge fan of that. So, yay. Put some little Christmas candy. You don't have to put Christmas candy in there, but, I mean, are you a Grinch? Hello, Barb. Oh, I did survive Halloween. Did you? I have a funny story. Now, you're going to put a little adhesive here, and we're going to stick this in, but we're going to stamp on here first. Barb, I hardly ever have trick-or-treaters because we live at the top of a really large hill. We always go to our friend's house down the street because they have a lot more trick-or-treaters. All right, wishing you... Okay, that's not what I want. I want the one that says, from our family to yours. So we're going to stamp that smack in the middle right here. Now, I used cherry cobbler on this initially, but that didn't work very well because it's a water-based ink. You need a pretty strong ink to stamp on this gift card holder piece. So, anywho, I'll tell you my story when I color because I'm gonna have a lot of time to talk to y'all. All right, so we're going to stick this gift card holder right in here like this, okay? And you could stick it going the other direction. It doesn't matter, but that's adorable. And let me just show you how it holds the little gift card. So you stick the little gift card in there carefully. I stuck mine in way too hard, and I tore it. So, but anyway, you could put your little gift card in there. And I had too many what I would call little gifts and things. So I stuck that one there. So we can start with that. Now, I have so many things to die cut today that I went ahead and stamped and die cut them already. So stamped it on white paper with Memento. and I cut it out with my rocking horse die. If you guys had, we would be here till midnight if you watch me die cut all that stuff. It's so cute though. All right, so we're quickly gonna color this little sweetie, these presents with, I'm using Cherry Cobbler, Daffodil Delight, Blueberry Bushel, and Shaded Spruce blends. Those were the colors that were in my head when I designed this project. Just your classic Christmas colors. I thought they were so pretty, and it just, like, the whole point of this stamp set is old-fashioned Christmas, so we're not going off the grid with our Christmas colors. We're using our jewel tone, gorgeous Christmas colors with all of their might. All right, we're gonna come in here with our Blueberry Bushel, color that, and then we're gonna pop in here. I'm not coloring very carefully, so don't stress. I want you to see the whole thing. All right, now we're gonna pop in with some Daffodil Delight. Dark Daffodil Delight really is almost a crushed curry, which is actually what I'm going for here. Okay. All right, so you've got your 4 presents, and you can stick those on here. Just a cute little, little detail there. Pop your gift card in. Now, just do it carefully because I did mine not so carefully, and it did not go well. So let's see. This is a very, here we go. Perfect. So you've got your little gift card in there. And now we're going to take some ribbon. Now, you remember, you may or may not remember, but I'm going to show you. In the catalog, we have a red, green ribbon combo pack. So don't sleep on this for Christmas. It's $7.50, and it has 5 yards of red and 5 yards of green. Real red and garden green. So we have Christmas. Voila. Now, I do find that these scallop gift card boxes, they close better when you tie them shut. So I haven't really figured out a better way. I mean, you could stick a glue dot on it, but the ribbon is so cute. I think it's decorative and functional, which is always a plus. But you need to get that, all your stuff in there before you do that. And someone asked me, where are those decorative gift card boxes? They are in our annual catalog as well. They're called Scalloped Gift Card Boxes on page 126. They're 10 for $7. And as you'll see, you can stamp on them. All right, now I used my Scallop Contours dies to cut a little piece of my Joy of Christmas designer paper. I think this gingham is so classic Christmas, which is what we're going for still here. We're classic Christmas. So we're going to pop that on. All right. Very good. So now we have our base. I've got a little sliver of basic white, and I'm going to stamp Have a Rockin' Christmas because, I mean, seriously, if that's not the cutest. So I like to get a dark background when I'm doing something like that. It helps me kind of center it. So I've got a piece of shaded spruce lying around next to me. I will use that. Anything will do. Okay. So there's your Have a Rockin' Christmas. I dropped something here. A little rocking horse. Okay. The ribbon makes it look like a present, Barb. I know, it's so cute. I love it. Like, I made these for my retreat, and I was just so tickled with them. And honestly, I would have just glazed over them, but I saw, I don't know who I saw make one first, but it was just so cute. All right, so we're going to stick this little sentiment right here, pretty far down, because we have a lot going on this box. So I've stamped and cut out a little rocking horse, And we're going to quickly color this with our, first we're going to use light crumb cake blends for the mane here, for his little tuft of hair here, and for his tail. Okay, so light crumb cake for all of that. Then we're going to use dark crumb cake for the horse itself. So the body of the horse. I'm going to do this quickly as well. Okay, so my trick-or-treating story. We always go to our friend's house, and we used to, all the kids would pile in with their costumes. We would eat, visit, and then we would all trick-or-treat literally in a mob of kids, probably like 15, 20 kids. And of course, the youngest kid of all the kids, my daughter, went to college this year. So it was just adults with no kids, and actually just a couple, just me and my friend and her husband and my husband. So our fun little group of four, we watched trick-or-treaters, visited, and we closed up shop pretty early, 8:30 or so for me. I'm a night owl. So I come home, doing our thing. I cooked a little stuff because I like to cook at night. And Clark went on to bed, and I'm in the kitchen cooking, and about 10 o'clock, ding dong. I was like, oh my gosh, no one's ever rang the doorbell at 10 o'clock at night. My dog goes ballistic. And there are the cutest family of trick-or-treaters. There's like 6 or 8 of them. They just like shove their bags in our door. And I have this huge 5-pound bag of Costco candy because we don't get many trick-or-treaters. And so I just divided it between them and dumped it all in there. And they were so excited. So that was my trick-or-treat story. All right. This is pumpkin pie that I used here for the leather. And then I'm going to also do the bridle. I guess that's what that's called. On the little horse. So now he's all ready, except for he's going to have a red blanket because it's Christmas, of course. Saddle blanket. I love this guy. I think he's so cute. And I don't really think you need to do this, but I went ahead and colored his hooves with Pebbled Path. This is going to get covered up, but Pebbled Path is the perfect blend to use when you want to use black, but black is just too dark. So dark Pebbled Path is a great black blending marker. All right, now, this is really my favorite part of the whole set of dies. It's a little detailed die that has the little rocking horse. I don't even remember what you call this part. But my children, my in-laws bought my children the cutest little rocking horse radial flyer. You've probably seen them. And it had this very same, like, brown horse, dark red base. So this just really brought me back to childhood Christmas for my children, which always makes me nostalgic. So it cuts, and it also embosses some detail onto there. It may be hard to see that detail, but I think it's so pretty. All right, now I went back and forth of whether to pop this up, and I think I am going to pop this one up. I did not pop this one up, so we'll see which one works better. I honestly don't think it matters. There's so much cuteness going on that you could just probably do nothing and stick it on there, and it would be cute. All right, so we're going to pop this on with dimensionals, and I'm going to set it about right here. All right, now we build our cuteness. So I've already, through the magic of television, stamped and die cut a little drum. I've stamped and die cut a little trumpet. And then just, this is, oh, I said that other was my favorite die. This is absolutely my favorite die. It's a little teddy bear. And it has embossing on it as well. So if you weren't going to get this, now you are, because he is adorable. And then I've got these tiny little, I need my take your pick tool, tiny little blocks, A, B, C. And you may not can see it either, but they have detail embossed on them. So you can see the A, you can see that A, B, C. So cute. Looks like this block tore. So it's cool. I have an idea. All right, so those are our 4 pieces. We're going to quickly color our trumpet with dark daffodil because it's gold, and that's the closest blend I had to gold. I think it ended up looking adorable. Plus, it's staying with my theme of those jewel tone Christmas colors. And then lastly, I'm going to color my drum. Now, I actually Googled Christmas drum just to see what a Christmas drum looks like. I had it in my head, but I wasn't quite sure. And they almost all showed up with red on the middle and then gold like rim. So I'm using red here for the drum, which was pretty classic. And then I'm going to use gold daffodil for all of the other detail. I'm going to leave the sticks and the center of the drum white. I guess I could make the sticks brown. Come to think of it, they are wooden. Let's do that. Cute. Okay, so I think we have all of our coloring done. Now we're going to pop these sweeties on with mini Stampin' dimensionals. And I find it's easier when you've got something like this just to put your dimensional down where you want it and then just put your thing on it, okay? I don't know, I just think that's easier. Like if I know my trumpet is going to go right in that little tiny space, that I'm just going to put my dimensional there and then put my trumpet right over it, and the trumpet's like leaning on the drum. This little bear, oh my gosh, he's so cute. I like the popped up horse better. I don't know why I was scared to pop it up. I was just worried there would be too much popped up, but I think this works better. This teddy bear, stop it. He is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And we can put mini dimensionals on the back of our blocks. I'm going to stick this block straight down with liquid glue. The B block. And then I'm going to dimensional up these other 2 blocks. So definitely add your rocking horse bundle to your Christmas set of stamps because it is adorable. Of course, you could also make baby cards with that. I've seen a lot of cute baby cards. So we've got our little ABC blocks, our bear and trumpet and drum. Oh my gosh. So make sure and add this to your deal. Now, of course, last week we had card class. This week, my ordering special. If you order $30 or more, you get free 5 cards. And if you order $50 or more, you get a free embellishment. Okay, so get your orders in. I would love to take care of you. I'd love for you to be my customer. And thanks for watching. Bye.